Howdy, motoristas! Last time we watched some exciting games at the Rodeo Grand Arena and went to this lovely sandbar. If you haven't seen it, click the link above. Today is our last day here in Masbate and we have mixed emotions. Happy that we made great memories here and sad at the same time. Malungkot, hindi dahil mamimiss namin ang Masbate, kundi dahil babiyahin na naman kami ng pagkalayo. Kidding aside, mamimiss namin ang lugar na to. We were wondering though if it's just because of the festive atmosphere caused by the rodeo festival. But no, it's the sweet locals we met and the beautiful places it has. Anyway, before our journey here ends, may huling hirit tayong pupuntahan. And we are going to cover this so-called cattle drive. It's more thrilling than I imagined. You'll see later why. So after packing up and saying our goodbyes to the lovely and sweet staff of Bambi Pension House, we rode straight to the main rotunda where the event will take place. We were advised really late that they closed the street to avoid the cattle from going astray. Good thing Boyoyong and I made it before they closed the road. May halong kaba at excitement dahil kung titingnan mo, napakadelikado ng mangyayari dahil pwedeng-pwede kang masuwag ng dumadaang baka. We're now here at the cattle drive. Yung mga baka dito, makakawalan mamaya tapos ita-drive nila papunta dun sa Grand Arena. Bayoyong had this great idea of following the herd using our scooters so I can film the action. So di mga baka, hinihintay na lang natin silang pakawalan. Paus pa rin ako. Actually may nakaantabay na dito na ambulance. Anybody here, lahat na nakaabang dito, yan yung mga yan. Lahat ng bystanders yan, mga nanonood. Pwede yung suwagin paglabas ng mga baka. After about 30 minutes of suspense, they let the monsters loose. It was risky though according to the marshals because I might agitate the cows and make me a target. Pero alam mo naman tayo, gagawin ng lahat para sa vlog. Naurungan pa ako ng kabayo. Buti hindi sumipa. It was not caught on video but I felt the pain on my ankle. Hindi maubos-ubos ng thrill at excitement. Sinundan ko hanggang dulo at nasa likod ko pala si Boyoyong. Hindi pa tapos ang action dahil may mga kumakawala pang baka. Si Boyoyong nag-astang photographer pa. Tingnan nga natin kung anong makukuhanan niya. While talking to an ambulance driver, people suddenly shouted. Papunta pala sa direksyon namin ang makulit na baka. Now you sound like Lamb of God. And when I thought we were safe, si Boyoyong pala ang humarang sa dadaanan niya. Na-conscious yata ang baka dahil panay ang kuha ng picture ni Boyoyong. Kaya't maya-maya, first time ko sanang makakakita ng clown na nasuwag. After a few minutes, a cow hit a motorcycle parked beside mine. Natumba ito at tumama sa NMAX. Buti at walang visible damage. It was an intense event. Dito mo makikita ang tapang ng mga local cowboys na para bang tuwang-tuwa pa at hindi natatakot. Dahil nasarapan kami sa The Captain last episode, dito ulit kami nag-lunch right before going to the Roro. Alright, we ordered another one. Ito platter. Ulutan platter. fries, ito, squid, and the fish or chicken? Fish yata to. Chicken fingers. And then of course, our favorite pizza. This is their bestseller, Captain's Choice.
4 flavors yan, sir. May meat loafers, may sausage. Ito, sir, yung Italian, Captain's Choice, at saka
Smile.
bacon and cheese.
Iya pa ko naman. Gusto nyo? Okay, Smile. Paborito naman. Isa lang ang biyahe ng Roro going to Pio Duran, 1 p.m. Kung di ka umabot, kinabukasan na ulit. Unless you want to take the Pilar Port in Sorsogon instead. We saw this other ship which leaves at 12:30 p.m. So we took it. Again, here are the more complicated steps before you board. While processing the requirements, di napansin ni Chief Fireman na nahulog na pala ang cellphone niya. Ipinatong niya kasi ito sa jacket niya at nalimutan na niya kaya pagsuot niya, nalaglag ito. Pero he only realized this when we got to Albay already. And we're finally leaving Masbate City. About 1 hour before we got off, we enjoyed the view of Mount Mayon from afar. And here's the Mayon volcano. So kitang-kita siya from the ship. Dito kami and we went out to enjoy this view. The perfect cone. Let's see what the team can say about the whole trip so far. Man, kumusta ba ang trip so far and how can you or how do you compare this sa ibang mga naging biyahe natin?
Okay ang Masbate ride kaya lang masyadong matagal ang biyahe. It took us 17 hours from
17 hours
to Pio Duran.
Yes.
And then another almost 4 hours by boat.
Yes, correct.
To reach
Masbate City.
Masbate City. Bago ka makarating ay talagang ano ka na, pagod na rin. Anyway, pagdating naman sa lugar ay maganda kasi warm ang mga people doon. Saka talagang first time ako naka-join ng rodeo sa Masbate. We were welcomed by officials and almost 6 motor
clubs.
Motorbike clubs.
Yes.
From Masbate sinalubong ang Motor Pilipinas.
Yes.
You see, that's something, Kami nagpapasalamat at with that event ay lalo dumami ang aming enthusiasts.
Yes.
Overall, 10 being the highest, between 7 and 8.
Okay. High enough. Thank you. Alright, great. Boyoyongs and Zumba Master's turn. Kumusta ang trip natin so far?
Ito, malungkot kasi maghihiwalay na kami. Pero this is my kind of spot.
Okay.
Dito lahat, rodeo, pabalikan yan.
Okay. So nagustuhan mo siya?
Yung tao itself, mababait sila, everybody enjoys. Tapos, sarap balikan, lasang ulit.
Yan ang gusto natin marinig. Ha?
Madaming magagandang tanawin.
Okay. Mabuti na yung malinaw, di ba?
Pero siyempre,
Take my hand, we'll walk a while.
Ganun yung sun, buntod, di ba? Yung sunburn nila.
Yeah.
Ayos, no?
ayoko nakatip ako doon.
Ha?
Ayoko nakatip ako.
sandbar. Pero enjoy
Paano ba
naman.
naman? 6'2", tapos yung tubig hanggang dito lang.
Yeah, medyo mababang nga yung water doon. Alright.
Thank you kay Lord.
Okay.
Pinakikita niya sa ating maganda niyang creations.
Right. Ano ba souvenir mo from the... ano ba souvenir mo from Masbate? Parang meron eh. Okay, let's scan.
Binigay sa mga action star.
Philippine Rodeo Finals. Wow! Saan ba ka nakipag-wrestling doon? Saan ba ka?
Hindi natatakot sa baka, binibigay talaga yan. Sa baka, mga action star.
Muntik na ako maniwala doon ah. Ganda oh. Si Zumba Master meron din yan eh. Meron ka ba nun?
Pero,
Kaya lang, di daw bagay sa outfit niya pang Zumba kasi.
baka maging Batman ako.
Meet Chainbreaker.
Kagaya nga nasabi ko, it's very, very satisfying. Wala akong masabi. Parang sabi nga nila may tinatawag na it's food for the spirit.
Okay.
Ito parang yun.
Food
Wala
for
akong
the spirit.
masasabi.
Okay.
Spirit, mind, and soul. Parang lahat na pagsama-sama mo, yun na yun.
Nice. We need the pool. Kumusta ang biyahe natin so far? Kamusta?
Nag-isip!
Kaya sa publiko ng Masbate ay napakagandang lugar. Marami sila mga sinasabi na negative tungkol sa Masbate, lalo na sa mga nakatira, sa mga tao. Pero ngayon na-discover ko na napakamali pala nila. Mali sila.
Oh, bakit?
Ang mga taga-Masbate nyo ay napakababait, napakamagulungin, magaganda, magagwapo,
Safe.
Ito yung magaganda pa. Gusto ko magpaiwan na sa Masbate. Mga Marlboro country nila, pamahal. Wow, talaga naman. Woo!
Right, thank you.
Motorista.
Yan, alright.
So,
So,
nagpapasalamat ako kay JT kasi nakasama pa rin ako kahit fully book na yung mga tutuluyan. Naisama pa rin niya ako. Nagpapasalamat ako.
wow, you're welcome, bro.
Yung mga kasama dito sa Riot, kala ko sa video lang sila kalong. Sa totoo pala, sobrang kalong nila. Kaya na-enjoy ako sa rides. Ang biyahe, okay lang. Kahit medyo rainy siya. Pero masaya siya kasi sama-sama talaga.
Yeah.
Sino man ang nasiraan, kaya naputulan ng
Kadena.
kadena, hinihintay namin kahit inabot kami ng gabi.
Yes.
Yun ang tunay na sa mga
Tama, walang iwanan. Yes, correct.
Ganda yung mga views, lalo na yung mga rancho. Doon,
Buntod.
napakaganda niya. Sobrang ganda.
Maganda,
Malinis ng tubig. Malinis yung hangin. White sun.
Nice. Thank you so much, Black Mamba. Alright. Okay. It's a rare chance to see Mayon na buo. Hindi nagtatago sa ulap. Look at that. Ganda, oh. One motorista from Ligao City wanted to meet us, kaya hinintay niya kami pagkagaling sa Piodoran Port. We agreed to meet sa isang church along the way. Pero sa isang waiting shed pala siya naghintay. Akala ko tuloy pumapara lang ng jeep. Yung pala siya na yun. Oh, pangalan? From? Paulba? Ligao City. Yung sticker mo? Since it's almost dark, we look for a place to stay in. Takot sa dilim ang mga kasama ko dahil hirap silang makakita. We're here at Balay Inn. We are checking in here sa second floor, mga rooms. So this is a good option din kasi they offer affordable rooms with air conditioning and even Wi-Fi. This is their standard room. So meron dito and meron sa taas. Ayan, akyat ka dito, doon ka tutulog sa taas. Alright. So isang problema lang, communal ang CR. So ito sa lang yung CR dito. Ito. Kung di naman issue sa inyo yun, you can stay here. They actually gave it for 1,000 pesos per room kung 2 tao. And then dahil mag-isa lang ako dito, dahil 5 kami, so we're odd number. Mag-isa lang ako, binigay na lang sa akin 500 pesos. Electric fan, they have aircon, and they have TV. We plan to leave at 5 AM the next day, kaya natulog na din agad. Before we split up, nag-lunch kami sa Daps restaurant, just like what we did on the Bicol Epic ride. Try ko rin. Ganda, di ba? So we're here again. We were here last time we went to Bicol. Yep, this is Daps. But this time, there are so much more people. I won't conclude our trip much in words anymore because seeing the videos is more than enough to describe on how epic this Masbate ride is. The place is breathtaking, no doubt about it, and we only just explored a portion of it. There are 2 more islands. The festival? It's a one-of-a-kind experience. The people were very friendly and honest. Proof? Remember Chief Fireman's lost phone? I was able to contact the one who found it and he happened to be a bus driver. He met Chief Fireman at the bus terminal in Calamba, Laguna, and he recovered his phone. This kind of deed is very rare nowadays, especially after my experience at the IR Bike Fest. Oo na, move on na. And because we toured the province of Masbate on 2 wheels, it's time to cross it out. Watch out for more of our adventures. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching.